Tomato have distributed the token for the listing season of the Toma. So for those of you who are here to check your tomato, when you come to your account over here around this mark section, you're going to see the check your airdrop section. So you're going to click, then it's going to display your airdrop. And at the same time, you can also come here, this assets section. So when you click on the assets section, so you're going to see the token that have been allocated to you for the second season. You can see here, this is the token that has been allocated to me. Then when you click on history, you're going to see the history of the listing season and the deposit amount. So now what is next for you is to withdraw your token or you claim it to on chain. That's to Bitget Lite. And for you to do that, all you need to do is to come here. So when you click on claim, you're going to see option to stake, which I will not advise you to do. Then you click here, skip to claim. So then you confirm. So if this place is not showing Aptos, please don't withdraw. You have to go back to your wallet section and make sure you change it to Aptos. So, but if everything is connected well, the network should be Aptos. Then you can click on confirm. Then you can see the withdrawal fee, which is 200 Toma. So, you can see here it said pending. So we don't know when they will credit it, but we believe that very soon it will be credited and from um Bitget Wallet we can send it to our exchange. So in view of that, you have to prepare a gas fee. You have to use gas fee that will help you to send it to exchange where you'll be able to convert it to the token of your choice. So you can come to withdraw history to check your withdrawal. When you come to withdraw history, you can see spending. So when you click here, it's going to tell you that your withdrawal will be processed in 24 hours. So after submission, wait patiently. So let's check Bitget wallet. So these are Bitget wallet. So we're going to open it. So you can see we're still waiting for the Bitget for the Toma token to be credited here. So once it's credited, you're going to see it in your balance, and from here you can send it to your exchange. So do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel where you can predict and win $20 if you can correctly predict the listing price of Toma. So see you in my Telegram channel.